welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What's good, YouTube? This your man Bigg Vic. We back in the building with another video today. Guess what? I am on the way. I'm in Columbia, going to CAE1 to pick up a load. Well, actually, they're gonna load the truck up. We're taking that to Concord, basically Charlotte. And then I was able to book another load out of Charlotte to come back to Columbia. Well, basically coming back to Lexington, South Carolina, which is like 20 minutes from me where the drop off is. But I'm gonna bring that load back home, and we got one coming and going. So people always ask me, can they book loads? You know, can they book loads going and coming back? Yes, you can. It just depends on when Amazon releases the loads. And today, I was fortunate enough to already had this load booked like a couple of days prior. And I looked on the load board and I seen a load was coming back from Charlotte, coming back this way. So we were able to get one coming back again. Every night, most times you can catch it. Like a lot of the big cities, you should be able to catch loads like that all the time in some of the bigger cities. So yeah, y'all can hang out with me for the day. We got some interesting, we should have some interesting content on the channel today. So stick with your boy. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, so if you ever have a bad head gasket, my brother-in-law just told me, he showed me some proof that this has actually fixed his box truck. Had a bad head gasket, and he used this Bars Leaks block seal permanent head gasket fix, and he said it worked. He don't have no more smoke coming out of his exhaust pipe. He doesn't have the coolant is not running out anymore. Alright, so what problem you was having with the box truck?
Alright, I was coming back from a delivery from Amazon. So when I was about 5 miles from the house, the truck started sputtering, coughing, hicking up. Lights came on, stop immediately. Coolant light came on. So when I got to the house, I parked the truck, I opened the hood up, and I had no coolant. Nothing.
Bone dry.
Bone dry. So started doing some research. So I called up my partner, and my partner came back over to the house 2 days later, did a test on the coolant system with this little tool he had, and they told him that I had a bad head gasket. So he recommended me to get this stuff right here. Yeah, this right here. So when I got it, I couldn't find it nowhere at none of the auto parts stores. So AutoZone had it for $75. So I ordered it at Amazon, AutoZone, and went and picked it up. And come to find out, Napa had it on the shelf for $35. But $75 saved me $3,000.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show y'all a clip of his truck of where this stuff has actually worked. His head gasket is sealed and it's no longer smoking. The truck is not smoking anymore, and the lights went off. So let's cut to the clip.
Yeah, no smoke. No smoke. So the next step of this process is, since I done let it ran for 15 minutes with the heater set to high all the way open, so that the chemical can work its way through the block to perform a seal, because the stuff is like real sticky. So basically what it's gonna do is, it's gonna get on that seal, and then when I shut it off and let it cool, it's gonna bond to it. It's gonna make it even, it's gonna make a seal around it. So then after I let that cool and I come back, drink it up for another 15 minutes, and see if any smoke, any leaks. After that, then I'm gonna take her on the road and I'm gonna test her out. But I'm gonna tell you what, guys, that stuff works. Cause I was getting ready to go to the Freightliner dealership. They told me $3,000 just to take it apart. They ain't even telling me what's the problem is. That's just to tear it down. $3.75 an hour for a diagnostic. I told him, man, that's highway robbery. So now, $75, guys. $75 and 4 bottles of coolant. Look at my baby, she's back on the road again. So let me tell you something. That seal, that head gasket seal, it works. This head gasket seal, it works, y'all. That's it right there.
What is good, family? We are out here knocking out this Amazon run. It's like 3:20 in the morning. It's a little quick drop, a little 3.5 hour route. Helping out one of my mentees. Got the live coming up with him. He got crazy with the booking finger, overbooked. So yeah, we worked it out. So he did not have to cancel his we worked it out to where he wouldn't have to reject a couple of loads that he booked. So yeah, I told him that it would really hurt if he rejected those loads. So yeah, Bigg Vic TV, we out here. Box truck bully in the building. Let's go. What is good, family? About to catch me a quick hour. What time is it? 5 to 2 a.m. Excuse me, catch me a quick hour. Pick up this dog at a 410. Only going 27 miles. I'm gonna knock that out. I'm going back to the crib. I'm done till Monday. I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're here right now at AGS 5, one of the new facilities. Box truck pouring in. They're pouring in right now. Coming to pick up. I always hear people talk about sunflower seeds keep them up. I don't eat sunflower seeds. I guess it's real. We out here at AGS 5. It's like 2:45 in the morning. Cats out here loading up, getting this money out here. What's good, family? So listen up. I know this month right here, right? This month is gonna be Black Friday month. So this is what I want to do. I'm feeling so good this year. Matter of fact, I'm feeling so good this month. I'm feeling very, very good. The numbers are up. You guys are subscribing. Y'all running my numbers all the way up right now, and I'm very, very thankful for that. So what I want to do, listen up. This is what I want to do. First thing I want to do is I want to give away $200. I'm going to give away $200, but here's the catch. I'm going to break that $200 down into $50 a piece for 4 people. 4 people. Listen up close. I want to give $50 away to 4 people, right? And I strategically place this portion of the video right. I guess it's gonna be somewhere in the middle because I just want to see how much of the videos everybody is watching. So I'm gonna put this giveaway in there, and I'm not even gonna put this in the title, simply because I want to see how much people are watching, how long of the video, how much of the video you're watching. So let's do this. In order to get the Cash App, in order to get the $50 Cash App, because I'm gonna pay for somebody's lunch and somebody's dinner. So $50 should cover you, depending on where you eat at. Number 1, you got to be subscribed to the channel. You have to be subscribed to the channel. And I'm gonna randomly pick 4 people. So make sure your Cash App is down below in the description, in the comment. Make sure you drop a comment with your Cash App. You got to be following me on Instagram. Number 2, you have to be subscribed to the channel. That only makes sense. So shoot me a DM. Let me know you subscribe to the channel. Let me know. And I'm gonna double check before I send the Cash App. When you drop your Cash App below, before I send that Cash App out, I'm gonna make sure you subscribed and that you are following me on Instagram. So drop your Cash App down below and you may win that $50. You may get that 50. I'm gonna hit you with that 50 spot. Believe me. All right. This is what I want to do. This is something else I want to do because I've been thinking about this. So the next thing that I want to do for anybody that has been interested in getting the course, if the price has been a little too rich for your blood, this is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna run this into the end of the month. This is my Black Friday. Matter of fact, I'm calling it my Brown Friday sale. All right, Bigg Vic's Brown Friday sale. We gonna switch it up. We doing our own thing. You know, this Bigg Vic world. So we gonna do our own thing. All right, so Brown Friday sale. I'm gonna slash the price in half. So if you've even looked at the price lately, the price is gonna be slashed in half as of today. We're gonna slice the course price in half. And I got some real gems inside of that course. Believe me. It's the 6-figure blueprint for a reason. It's the masterclass, all right? So we're going to slash that in half. Now, I think that's going to be it. That's it. That's all the giveaways I'm doing. That's the sale I'm running. And if this isn't the end of the video, let's get back to the video, all right? See y'all in a minute. What is up, guys? It's Sunday. Quick Amazon run. I was in the bed chilling, minding my business, and the load popped up. Paying double. Y'all know if it's double the trouble, I'ma grab it. So I'm about to unload this truck real quick, get back on interstate. I don't even got that much stuff on the truck, but we're gonna snatch this bag up. I'm about to go chill out. Go catch this next episode of BMF. Eat me some steak and a salad. We're gonna relax for the rest of the Sunday. I'm taking tomorrow off. Tomorrow I'm chilling. For real. No load boards, nothing. I'm relaxing tomorrow. Dead A. Word up. Let's get it though. You already know. So this is what we got on the truck today. Kind of light, not too much. Let's get this off and get back on the road. In and out like a robbery. Time to head back to the metro. Nice run for the day. Nice run for the day. I didn't even expect this one. Shout out to my man Demetrius. You know, we catch loads on a load board. We see something. One of us can't run it. We'll hit the other one up. Tell him, hey, something on that load board. Still up there. And I caught it. Caught it for the double up. See y'all in a minute. Peace.